Children, this question is from direct and inverse variation, standard 8. Let us read this question first. Fill in the missing terms in the table if x and y vary directly. X and y vary directly and the table is given. X in one row and y in one row. So our first x is 10, second x we don't know, third x is 30 and fourth x is 46. First y is 5, second y is 10, third y and fourth y we don't know. We have to find this particular unknown numbers. So since it is given x and y varies directly, we shall make one more row here. And this row will be for x by y. Here 10 by 5 will give you how much? 2 by 1. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That means this is also 2 by 1. This is also 2 by 1. And this is also 2 by 1. Now simply you take this ratio equal to this ratio. X box by 10 will be equal to how much? 2 by 1. You don't know how much is this particular number. Let it be A. So you will say A by 10 will be equal to 2 by 1. So after cross multiplication you will get A into 1 equal to 10 into 2. So this will be A equal to 20. Similarly here also you see 30 by box will be equal to how much? 2 by 1. So let this box be B. So let this unknown number be B. After cross multiplication, again you go for this. 2 into B will be equal to 30 into 1. So 2B will be equal to 30. This means B will be equal to 30 by 2. So B will be equal to 15. So our B is equal to how much? 15. Now see this. 46 by box will be again equal to how much? 2 by 1. So this implies let this box be equal to unknown number be equal to C. So C into 2 will be equal to 46 into 1. Now C will be equal to 46 by 2. That will give you 23. So children, I hope you got it. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 20. B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 23. Children, let us read this question. 5 bags of rice weigh 150 kg. How many such bags of rice will weigh 900 kgs? Here we have two quantities. Number of bags and weight of bags. So we shall take number of bags in X category and weight in the Y category. And let us see what variation is it showing. So let the number of bags be taken as X and let the weight of bags be denoted by Y. So we shall have X and we shall have Y. Let us make a table here. So see here 5 bags 150 kg. That means if X is 5, Y will be equal to 150. Now if the rice bags will weigh 900 kg, suppose this is 900, if Y is 900, then how much is this X? Now look here children, 5 bags weighs 150 kgs and if we have 900 kgs, the bags will be less or more? Obviously it will be more because more the bags, more will be the weight. So that means if your X is increasing, Y is also increasing. Therefore, X and Y are both in direct proportion. This is the case of direct variation. So that means x by y, 5 by 150 will be equal to number of bags that are unknown to us divided by 900. So this will be 150 into unknown number equal to 5 into 900. So our unknown number will be equal to 5 into 900 by 150. 15 6 are 90. 15 5s are 75 and 15 6 are 90. So 30. So what we can say? So how many such bags of rice will weigh 900 kg? So 30 bags will weigh how many kgs? 900 kgs. So this is our final answer.